So remember, we predicted that markets will give us a pullback right yesterday on our Euro GBP. We said that we will be after this low, we will be expecting a pullback and then another low. Now take a look at it. This pullback has now played out right here on our Euro GBP. So our next movement for the day on our Euro GBP is a sell that should eventually drop to take out this low. So first and first, make sure you click on the subscribe button if you have not yet subscribed. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also you can stay updated by following the Telegram channel. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now zoom it in right here. You will see that Euro GBP is literally having trending to the downside. We are clearly on a bearish move. Now, if you zoom it in up properly, you'll see that this is our first low that Euro GBP did give us. Then here is the lower high. Market was now able to drop again to form a new lower low. Then here comes the lower high. Euro GBP then was able to drop again to form a new lower low, and here comes the lower high. Now the market has now given us this lower high. Our next movement on Euro GBP will be a drop that should form a new lower low. So guys, we should be expecting a sell setup right here on our Euro GBP. So Euro GBP should be giving us a sell setup next. So within this level, we should be looking out for the sell setup. So once Euro GBP can give us that sell setup, then we will go ahead and take the sell. So a bearish move is what we are going to be expecting for the day on our Euro GBP. If there will be any changes to this moment that we just predicted, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like, share, and make your comments. Also follow the Telegram channel. You'll find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.